Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is all about Girl Boss products. I have them in my hair at the moment. So many of you have requested this video. I couldn't get my hands on the products, but I finally did. But before we get into this video and talking about the products and my results, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. Guys, these are my results from using the curl defining butter. I just needed to refresh my hair in the front a little bit, but my hair is so soft. I'm going to show you guys the application, what I did in order to achieve these results. But let's start off with how I got the products. A few weeks ago, I attended the Slay Festival. It was like a woman's type of event, and I did buy from them. I bought the leave-in conditioner, and I got to meet the guys from Girl Boss, and they were just so friendly. The next week, I think, I attended Beauty Revolution in Johannesburg, met the guys again. They were so kind, so gracious, and I got some free products from them. I've been looking for these products for months. So they gave me for free the Natural Hair Deep Conditioner, and they also gave me the curl defining butter. So I bought one of the products, and these two I got for free. I washed my hair off camera and then I applied the deep conditioner in sections, as I always do. This is the Natural Hair Deep Conditioner Soft and Moisturized Mango and Marula with vitamin E. This promises to deposit moisture deep into the cuticle, condition for easy detangling, nourish hair to build and strengthen from the inside out. Now you can use this as a normal rinse out conditioner, and then it says you can leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. For deep conditioner, you can leave it on for 20 minutes under a hooded dryer or an hour without any heat. I left it on for an hour without any heat. That's generally what I do, and I put a plastic cap on my head as well, and I waited for about an hour. Any negatives about this product? I think it's too small, especially for someone who has as much hair as I do. This might just last me 3. I think I can push it to 4 applications, so once a month. I will put the prices in the description box down below. The bottle is a little bit tough when your hands are wet. Trying to get it out can be a little bit tough. When it comes to the smell, I'm just going to open this up, but it does come with the cap that you click. It does have fragrance in it. Is it passion fruit? Or is it the mango that I smell? It smells very nice. I like the smell of it. I like the texture. It's nice and thick and creamy. I'll just show you guys a bit. So this is what it looks like. It's white and thick and creamy. Smells really nice. I think I can smell a bit of passion fruit. I'm not too sure. And then for the results, my hair was nice and soft. The front part of my hair had a lot of frizz. I'm not really sure why, but that's not a big deal for me because during the styling process I can always just calm that frizz. But the results were really nice. My hair was soft. For the styling process, I started off with the leave-in conditioner. You guys know I don't like sprays. I find them very difficult to use. What I did like about the spray is that when you spray it, it has direction. It kind of like sprays like boom. Ooh, quite an aim it has, and so it does spray on your hair. I had to complete the application off camera because I found it extremely difficult to do on camera with you guys. So I just did the first half, showed you how I used it, and then I did the rest off camera and also detangled my hair. Generally, when it comes to spray conditioners, and this is not specific to Girl Boss, one of the reasons I don't like spray conditioners is because I find that they don't coat my curls the way I want them to. Liquid conditioners like this are very light on my hair, and I find that I have to put a lot. I like to feel the conditioner, and it's a personal preference of mine. So just a little bit about this leave-in conditioner. This is a natural hair leave-in conditioner spray, and it also says that it's soft and moisturized. It's the Mango Marula with vitamin E. It promises to condition and soften the hair, easy combing and detangling, and it also prevents breakage as well. For the styling, I moved on to the defining butter. I was very apprehensive to even try this product because it's a butter. Butters are very heavy on my hair. They weigh my hair down, and when I looked at the product I thought I'm gonna have to add a gel, but since I kind of got it for free, I was like, I'm gonna try this. And as I said, these are the results, and I'm gonna say I'm happy. What I love about this butter is the consistency. In my mind, I thought this is going to be very thick and it's just going to weigh my hair down, but no. Smells amazing. it has like a liquidy texture. It's very, very liquidy, which I like. And because this was a butter, the way I styled my hair was very different. It's not a wash and go. I braided my hair into 2 plaits because that's what I would do with the butter or with a very thick moisturizer on my wash day. And I wanted it to be true as to how I would use it, because that's how I would use it. But after using it now, I do think that I could use this and add a gel on top. I love the application. It was nice, it was easy, like the consistency is what I really like and has me. So this would be something that I would use on my hair. A little bit more about the product. This is the curl defining butter for natural hair. It's the Mango Marula with vitamin E. It promises to hold curls from braids and twist outs. Guys, I didn't even read this. When it was a butter, I was like, I'm gonna do a braid out. Like, that was just automatic for me, and then it says it on the instructions. It promises to moisturize and soften, condition hair for easily detangling and combing. So if you're gonna do a braid out or a twist out, I think this is really gonna be nice. For me personally, with my type of hair, I would still add a little bit more of a styler on top. But if I'm wearing a protective style, I would only use this for protective style. Like if I'm gonna two strand twist my hair for the week, I just use this. Overall, guys, I tried finding these products. I'm so excited I finally got to use it. I like my hair. I really do. This is day 2. My hair is pillow soft. It has volume. I can fluff it out more if I want to. It did deliver. My hair is soft. My hair is nice in condition, and my braid out is looking really good. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on the Girl Boss products. Thank you, Girl Boss, once again for the free stuff. I really do appreciate it. Drop your comments down below if you've been waiting for this video or if you've tried the products. And always, as usual, I will see you again in another video. Take care.